think you're going out, you want to go and boop 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 beep, pop pop pop. And it gives you this lovely golden glow. We want those cheeks to pop in, isn't it? Pop pop pop. You know, just people gonna focus on your lipstick rather than your face. Right, so the face is done. So you look a little bit more fresh now. Hello, my loves. How are we? Hi, how are you doing? What is up? What is happening? What is up? Hi. Yes, it's a brand new video today, and it's very interesting because I wanted to share some kind of great advices for day to night makeup. How to transform your makeup from daily makeup, so you go to work, school, college, university, whenever you are, you don't want to put much like makeup poof like that one in your face, you know. So I'm gonna show you how to transform this into a nighttime makeup that I think it will turn out great. Do you know when like sometimes you are actually been busy, done lots of stuff during the day, went to work, and then just suddenly someone is asking, do you want to go for a dinner, or do you want to go out, or do you want to have a date or something, you know, and you just like, ooh, I have an hour or half an hour, how am I gonna do this? Because let's be honest, we're not gonna take the whole makeup off and try again. There is no time. There is no time. So what I'm gonna start with is the eyes. So this is like the one shade makeup look. So I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, and by the way, these are the products that it's really useful to keep them in your purse. So this one is a little luxury palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's really cute. I like it. It has a shimmers. It can create the whole look. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go in a darker shade with my blending brush and just literally darken up my crease on my eyeshadow. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely makeup palette. So I have already mascara on, so it doesn't really look great on it, like, yeah, so I'm just gonna darken up a little bit. It changed the color of the eyeshadow that I already have. I love this brush. Honestly, I never used this brush. It's BH Cosmetics. What is it called? It doesn't have a name. Okay. But for blending, this brush is gorgeous. Right, so this looks deep enough for me. So I think you're going out, you want to go and boop 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 beep, pop pop pop. So I'm gonna go with this golden shimmery color and just apply on the lid. Really don't need to be precise here because I'm sorry, but we don't have time to be precise, aren't we? Let's pop some of that color in your tear duct. And then next eye. Really, really love this eyeshadow palette. It's cute. It's really cute. Right, so it's Looks okay. Yes, great, looking amazing. Right, so what else I'm gonna do with the eyes? You can put a eyelashes on. I'm not gonna do that, as I'm not really good with the lashes still. So I'm gonna put some eyeliner. Yes. Have to be very careful because I can't like see. That just deepened up your look, so it looks a bit more smoky. That's done. Next thing I always have in my purse is Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, as you know, like just to touch up a little bit during the day. Why is it not opening? There we go. And it has a little puffy thingy. Don't know what that's called. So I'm just gonna go with it and just want to touch up a little bit of your under eye makeup, because you know it's been all day. It's a powerful, strong powder. It's actually really good though. And it lasts a long time, to be honest. It's really nice powder. I love it. So I'm just touching up a little bit on my eye, my nose. Yes, here. Because you're going out, you don't have time to redo your makeup. So literally just touching up. Right, so the face is done. So you look a little bit more fresh now. So next will be a highlighter. I'm gonna go use by Terry because it's golden shimmer, because during the day you literally gonna lose some highlight if you put some, and it gives you this lovely golden glow, and it just makes a little bit everything better looking, a bit more fresh, as we say. Highlight is done. It's really good. Love it. Keep it in your purse. Keep it in your purse for emergencies. Blush. Let's touch up some blush. We want those cheeks to pop in, isn't it? Pop, pop, pop. Great. Tick, tick, tick. So, cheeks are touched up. Love it. Great. What else? Okay, so I'm gonna go for the lipsticks. So the lipstick is Matte Me red one. Why did I choose red one? Well, if your makeup is not perfect, I would say go for red one, because that would distract your lips, gonna distract from the rest of the face, and it's gonna, you know, just people gonna focus on your lipstick rather than your face. Thank you. There you go. It's a red lipstick. If you want, you can add some gloss. I wouldn't do that, because glosses, they don't last, and they don't make your lipstick last long enough. Okay, so if you're home and not like somewhere else doing these things, I would add a little bit of liner, but I won't add a liquid liner. Just in case you have a palette with a black shadow, grab it and grab a angled brush and make your own line. No. Wow. These are amazing. Well, there you go, that's a liner. People, that's a liner. And why did I chose to do with the eyeshadow is because when you have a mascara on, it's gonna be very, very, very hard to do with a liquid liner. So with the shadow, it's great. There you go, it's done. It's literally done. You don't even have to, it's literally done. You don't even have to put any effort into it. Then you're gonna go with your blending thing. Blending brush. And just blend out your shadow. So this is a very quick video because, you know, we don't have much time to transform our makeup to this. So do I look like I'm going out somewhere? I think I do. I think I do. So yes, make your hair in a messy bun and you're good to go. Red lipstick wins every single time. Lashes, don't have to do it if you don't want to. I'm not gonna do it. Do you know why? Because I'm a simple like that. Lashes, yes. So I go. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a bit shorty. If you have any suggestions, tips or tricks, comment to me, please, under this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a lovely week. I hope everything is fine with you. I hope you're all well and safe and healthy. And I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Do what you got to do. Do what you got to do. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.